Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at PropHelper EA, which is a multi-strategy trading robot that is available for free for MetaTrader 5. Now, this expert advisor or trading robot specializes in trading the XAUUSD or spot gold, and I've been trading it on the recommended time frame, which is the 5 minute. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at how this expert advisor has been performing over the past few months, as well as what's the overall performance of this bot. Now, PropHelper EA, which is available on the MQL5 marketplace, was published on the 6th of November 2024. And this is a multi strategy expert advisor that uses, among trend following strategies, one big move strategy, as well as a reversal strategy. This multi strategy approach provides more stability, however, it can generate conflicting signals. Now, like I said before, it's specifically created for the XAUUSD, and I'm currently running it on the 5 minute time frame. And after trading live in the market, I can say that it doesn't use any dangerous grid or martingale strategies. And in each trade, dependent on what strategy is used, has a take profit and stop loss. Now, one concerning thing about the expert advisor is that it does have a very high trading frequency, with already over 617 trades placed since the 12th of March 2025. Now, I am using the recommended lot sizing, which is a 0.01 for $1,000 account. Now, if we head to my fixbook for the account, you'll see if we need to use a custom analysis to look at all of the different strategies from PropHelper EA. So all of the magic numbers that start with 4200 is this expert advisor. And by combining all 6 strategies, it is currently up a total gain of 39.2%, with a monthly return of 14.09, which is on the high side but can be accounted for using 6 different strategies. Now, because it is a high frequency trading expert advisor, it is currently having a high drawdown of 36.63%. Now, one of the things about this expert advisor is because of its high trading frequency, it does need to maintain a high win rate to be able to generate a profit in the market. But overall, if we see how the strategies performed live, it looks like some of the strategies specialize in recovery and some do actually focus on reversals. We can see this if we focus on the equity and growth chart, as we had a significant drawdown during the April period, but it was able to recover nicely from the end of April until now in May. So if we scroll down and we look at the monthly returns for the expert advisor, we see that in the month of March, it had a return of 19.98%, and in May a negative, which is also reflected in the graph. On top of this, if we take a look at some of the advanced statistics of the different strategies, you'll see that they also incur a few different statistics. So if we scroll down to our advanced statistics, we see that 617 trades have been placed, and the lot sizing equates to 6.17. This shows us that each individual trade was a 0.01, and overall it had a win rate of 69%. Now, if we look at the risk to reward imbalance, we see an average win of 8.92% compared to an average loss of minus 17.98. This suggests that the system heavily relies on this positive win rate and that these big losses might incur to go into the negative. This can also be reflected by the profit factor of 1.11, which is technically profitable, but only barely. The expectancy of 0.64 or 66 pips does show a positive side, but it is again on the low side. Overall, this shows that the EA does have potential, and I will continue running it across a few different accounts. Now, overall, the 6 strategy setup does show some robustness, But even this also creates conflicting signals, as we saw during choppy markets. On the positive side, we have seen that this is a plug-and-play EA, so it is ideal for beginners because it can simply be attached to the chart. I've also created a FX Blue for the account for those of you who want to track the individual results of the different magic numbers. Now, all of the magic numbers can be accessed on FX Blue, meaning you can do your own analysis. However, you can't unselect any of the strategies under the options for the expert advisor. It does also come with a built-in news filter, which still I have to test live in the market. Now, if we look at April, where the strategy or EA was struggling, this can show that some of the subcategories or strategies can sometimes start conflicting. However, on the positive side, it was able to recover very strongly during May. And with all of that said, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you found any of the information useful, make sure to drop the video a like, also subscribe for future content. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.